Hello guys, it is my task. Jim said he woke up some morning and sat and had his coffee and looked at his beautiful garden, and he remembered who would this was because he could lose it. Let me introduce Jim Carrey to my audience. Jim Carrey is a true believer in the law of attraction. If you ask Jim Carrey, he will insist that his life is proof that the universe does listen to our wishes. Okay, once times, Jim said that life opened up opportunities to us, and we either take them or we stayed afraid of taking them. Today I have the opportunity to speak to you about Jim Carrey, known as one of the best comedians to appear on the big screen. Today I will tell you about Jim's first background, second performance, and finally conclusion. Okay, Carey born in 1962 in Canada. Carey grew up extremely poor when he was a child. When he was young, his father lost his job, and as a result, the whole family had to live in a minivan parked on a relative's lawn. At the age of 50 years old, he worked as a janitor to help his family pay the bills. During his first performance at Jukes Jukes, a comedy club in Toronto, he was buffed off stage. And so if he gave up when he was a young, he wouldn't be a recognized actor now. Okay, now you know a little bit about Jim's life. Let me tell you about his performance. He is known for his energetic slapstick performances. Jim Carrey's career is mostly as an actor. Also, he was writing and produced several films for him. Carrey's big screen debut came with 1984 in Finders Keepers, but he didn't find success until he played the title role in the 1994 comedy Ace Adventure. Pet Detective, the detective, excuse me. From there, Carrier's expressive face, expert mimicry skills, and physical brand of comedy kept the hits coming. Between 1995 and to 1997, he did the different movies and famous movies. Okay, I can say you as conclusion first. Jane has overcome many difficulties in his life, especially when he was a young. He has made his dreams come true because he is a persistent person. He also strongly believes in the law of attraction, and this has brought success in his career and his life in general. Thank you, guys. Bye.